You log online, and within seconds, someone is telling you to cut your carbs, fear fats, and sweep away entire food groups to achieve perfect health. It is an exhausting cycle of conflicting advice. In reality, the macronutrients often demonized by these trends are the essential biological requirements your body needs to function. These are the big six nutrients, the non-negotiable building blocks of human biology. We start with survival's baseline, water. You can endure without a proper meal, but organs cannot work without hydration. Water is over 60% of your body. It drives brain function, lubricates the digestive tract, keeps cellular nodes hydrated, and flushes out toxins. When you struggle with brain fog, experience severe physical fatigue, or deal with constipation, your body is sounding an alarm. These aren't necessarily signs you need a new diet. They are the symptoms of cellular dehydration. Next is the nutrient that gets the most hype, protein. In the fitness world, it is usually framed through a very narrow lens, as a tool for building large muscles. But protein is responsible for 16% of your total body weight. It provides the literal structural foundation for your bones, your skin, and your hair. These structures are built from smaller units called amino acids. Your body links them together to create complex tools for survival, including hormones and antibodies. Because of a constant need for structural repair, without enough protein, your body breaks down its own internal architecture. Visible muscle growth is just a byproduct. Protein provides the microscopic raw materials, preventing your physical frame from breaking down at a cellular level. Fats and carbohydrates are often treated as the villains of the plate, feared and habitually restricted in modern diet culture. This fear is based on real medical risks. Excessive intake of the wrong fats can damage your blood pressure, your heart, and your respiratory system. However, data from Harvard Medical School shows fat serves as a biological transport system, required to absorb vital nutrients into your cells. By facilitating nutrient absorption, fat provides the structural foundation, allowing your muscle fibers to contract with greater efficiency. We see a similar cultural obsession with low-carb lifestyles, where carbohydrates are avoided at all costs. But carbohydrates are the primary, indispensable fuel source for your brain and your central nervous system. Without them, your body lacks the energy to maintain cognitive and neurological function. Eliminating fats starves your cells of the ability to absorb nutrients, while cutting carbohydrates drains the operating energy from your brain and nervous system. While the other nutrients provide the structure and the fuel, vitamins and minerals act as the invisible regulators, keeping the larger systems in balance. Out of 13 essential vitamins, 4, A, B6, C, and D, act as your primary defense against microorganisms, while providing longevity-boosting antioxidants. These regulators are vital for stability. If your body lacks vitamin B6, your blood pressure can drop to dangerously low levels that you cannot control. Minerals are a trio governing your internal mechanics. This dashboard tracks calcium, zinc, and iron, managing 3 systems simultaneously. Calcium transmits nerve signals and muscle contraction. Zinc regulates metabolism and tissue healing. Iron creates red blood cells and hormones. Without these protectors regulating the system, the architecture of protein and the fuel of fats and carbs would be entirely defenseless. The human body functions as a complex, perfectly balanced machine that thrives on a consistent supply of diverse resources, rather than the restrictive cycles found in modern diet trends. Water maintains the flow, protein builds the frame, and fats and carbs provide the energy, all while vitamins and minerals guard the operation. Audit your daily intake against this biological reality. Start with the basic requirement and evaluate how much water you've given your body today. Health is the result of giving your body the specific tools it needs to sustain itself. Let us know in the comments how you are fueling your own system.